In a sunlit kitchen, a tabby mimics a morning routine, stretching beside a mug while a dog pretends to sip. The owner yawns, and the cat blinks sleepily at the blender while the dog surveys the fridge like a thoughtful colleague. On the couch, a parrot mimics a video conference, repeating "Can you hear me?" as if Wi-Fi were a treasure. Outside, a pug waters the garden with a sprinkler, while neighbors sip coffee, watching the spectacle like morning news. The video ends with a playful reminder that tales and timelines share chaos and charm in the cutest possible way.